Over the last couple of years, investors had been making millions off of the cryptocurrency exchange, but more often than not, this involves participation in day trading, which can be quite difficult for new investors to get a handle on. That being said, the introduction of SafeMoon has provided lucky holders with a unique opportunity to earn passively, which has been seen to result in earnings of around $100 per day. But what is it about SafeMoon reflection coins that allows for such passive earning, and how can you ensure an easy return like this today? Well, whether you're a new investor or have been looking to update your cryptocurrency portfolio with some tried and tested investments, you've come to the right place, as we're about to explore everything there is to know about the potentiality of SafeMoon. So strap yourselves in and get ready to take some notes, as things are about to get interesting. But before we get into it, make sure to leave a like and subscribe with notifications turned on so you don't miss out on any of the new videos we post. A deep dive into SafeMoon. First of all, to really know how to invest through the holding of SafeMoon reflection coins, you'll have to know a little bit about the cryptocurrency. It's never a great idea to invest in something that you don't understand after all. And if you have yet to hear about SafeMoon, there's absolutely no reason to feel ashamed, especially if you get the majority of your crypto news from the variety of cryptocurrency exchanges available on the internet. You see, SafeMoon only launched a few months ago towards the end of March. As such, it is one of the newest and fastest growing cryptocurrencies on the market. And it's because of how new the crypto is that the majority of investors have yet to pounce on it, as it is not yet listed on any cryptocurrency exchange. In fact, the purchasing of SafeMoon reflection coins is quite a long and complicated process, but we'll get into that a little bit later. If you head on over to the SafeMoon website, you'll find that the altcoin carries the slogan of "Safely to the Moon," which actually says a lot about the purpose of the altcoin. It also explains the strange name that the crypto possesses, encapsulating the saying of "to the moon" that is often used in conjunction with a surge in the value of cryptocurrency. This is why many have referred to SafeMoon as the new Dogecoin, with both relying on internet culture and memeology to make a name for themselves. But as is usually the case, a surge in a crypto is usually followed by a fall, which has caused many investors to be wary of digital currencies, which have become known as being highly volatile in nature. Remember, SafeMoon promises a safe trip to the moon, which sums up just how hard the crypto is working to defeat the volatility of the market. And it is this targeting of the volatility of the market that makes SafeMoon such a unique investment, especially for those who aren't interested in day trading. Other than this unique approach of the cryptocurrency, which we will tackle in a little while, SafeMoon is considered to be similar to other altcoins on the market. It has been defined as a decentralized finance token, or DeFi token to those who are familiar with the lingo, meaning that it forms part of an alternative financial system which is not governed or intervened by centralized systems such as banks and governments. This is what allows SafeMoon and other cryptocurrencies to be traded in a peer-to-peer manner without incurring costs that are often enforced by the middleman in a transaction. This often results in quicker transactions that are not subject to extra costs such as banking and exchange costs. As the principle goes, you can't be charged banking costs when the bank has been eliminated from the transaction. The holding opportunity of SafeMoon. But what makes SafeMoon so unique is the different approach that it has in respect to investment. When it comes to business as usual in the crypto space, investors are known to buy low during the bear market of an altcoin and then sell high when it reaches its bull market. This means that the investor, by taking part actively in day trading, is able to make a profit representing the difference between those two values. But, as we mentioned earlier, the volatility of the cryptocurrency exchange means that nobody really knows when the bull market is over and the bear market is about to rear its ugly head again. In other words, there is quite a lot of risk when it comes to the active performance of day trading. As an investor, you have to really know your stuff, and if you miss out on the indicators, you'll find your cryptos losing value in no time at all. Look at Dogecoin as a great example of this. The altcoin hit a massive surge in the first few months of the year, but then had its value decline sharply by around 50%. Now we see that it is back up due to its acceptance by the Coinbase Pro platform. But it's not in day trading that you'll be able to make your money with SafeMoon reflection coins, which is what leads us to the uniqueness of the cryptocurrency. You see, SafeMoon has encouraged investors to hold on to their SafeMoon reflection coins in the best way possible in an attempt to combat the volatility of the market. This is done by charging holders of SafeMoon a transaction fee of 10% on all sales of SafeMoon reflection coins. From this 10%, half is recouped by SafeMoon, while the other 50% is redistributed to all other holders of SafeMoon. In other words, not only are sellers punished with a larger fee, holders earn more when other investors decide to sell. And since less investors are selling as a result of this regulation, the value of the altcoin is simply rising. Many experts have predicted that this investment regulation aimed at that the defeat of volatility may even have the result of pushing SafeMoon above and beyond the usability of Bitcoin, as no merchant wants to accept payment in cryptos that may be worth next to nothing the following day. Exchanging for SafeMoon. The only way to get your hands on some SafeMoon at the moment is to exchange them for Binance coins, which are of course available to purchase on the Binance DEX platform. Your first step should, however, be downloading the Trust Wallet application, which is available on PC, Android, and Apple stores for free. Even if you are currently using your own physical hardware wallet, you'll unfortunately need the Trust Wallet application to make the entirety of the process a lot easier. Once this step has been completed, head on over to the Binance DEX homepage and log in. If you don't have a Binance account, you'll need to make one by filling in the requisite information, verifying your identity, and setting up your preferred payment method. Once done, you'll be able to use that payment method of yours to purchase as many Binance coins as you'd like. Since you'll be exchanging these for SafeMoon reflection coins a bit later, be sure to buy the value of SafeMoon you'd like in Binance coins. At this point, you'll have to withdraw these Binance coins and store them in the Trust Wallet application, which is done easily by selecting the Wallet tab on the home page and clicking the Fiat and Spot option on the drop-down menu. Fill in the public key of your wallet and you're ready to head on over to the application where your Binance coins will be waiting for you. Now select the DApp tab in the Trust Wallet application using the search bar to find the secondary Pancake Swap application. When found, select the application and connect your wallet by following the prompts. From here, you'll be able to indicate the amount of Binance coins you want to exchange for SafeMoon reflection coins. Once complete, head on back to your Trust Wallet application and you'll find the unique little tokens waiting for you. This is not exactly a complicated process, but you can see how having to jump through these hoops would throw quite a few investors off. Luckily for us, though, that allows SafeMoon reflection coins to be bought up for very little right now with the potential to explode later. Holding for value. Now that you have some SafeMoon reflection coins in your back pocket, you'll be able to participate in our hold for value model, but a number of assumptions had to be made in order to establish this model. In other words, don't expect the model to be perfect, as there is still quite a bit that is left unknown insofar as the holding of SafeMoon reflection coins is concerned. The first assumption we had to make involves the 50% portion of the 10% transaction fee that accompanies the sale of SafeMoon reflection coins. We assumed that the redistribution of the 50% is done evenly, at the same rate across all holders. This is what would make the most amount of sense from an investment standpoint after all. The second assumption we made is that the average burn rate and transaction volume will remain constant in the future, based on the May statistics we used to set the model up. This is clearly not true, with the value still set to increase quite drastically in the future and then fall partially to correct itself. But it's an assumption that had to be made for the purpose of calculating the holding capacity of the model. The price of SafeMoon was also kept constant for the same reason. Based on these assumptions, it was calculated that the average rise of SafeMoon was around 0.06% daily, which is a growth of about 1.8% per month. Keeping all of this in mind, we then went on to calculate just how many SafeMoon reflection coins you'd have to hold in order to make an amount of $100 per day by holding on to them. And as it turns out, this is an amount of just over 20 billion SafeMoon reflection coins. In fact, an investment of 20 billion SafeMoon reflection coins will net you around 12 million coins per day at the calculated rate, equally an amount earned of $96 per day. Since the investment of 20 billion SafeMoon reflection coins will cost you around $160,000 though, you can always start with a smaller investment and use the SafeMoon reflection coins earned on a daily basis to increase your investment over time. What do you think of the future of SafeMoon? Be sure to let us know in the comment section down below.